Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chan here and welcome to the product GoPro Suite. So this is a very cheap tool when you consider the I have written wrong here. This should be $17, but I will correct it after the video. So when you consider the features of this app, it will be very cheap for you, like three features, like it is a 3-in-1 app. Let me explain you the product, and firstly I am thanking you that you have given the opportunity to show you the product. So let me start with this product, then I will clear you the bonuses that is given from this website, exact from this page, and the way to get the bonuses I will clear you everything. So firstly, inside this product, inside this tool, once you have purchased it, you will be given three softwares or three problem solutions. Okay, so firstly you will be given the cloud storage. If you know about Google storage, they are very good, they are excellent, but the thing is they provide you only 15 GB in the free section, and for the next section you have to pay so much more. I don't know exactly what is the cost, but it is more than 17 bucks, or it is more than 27 bucks I think, for 100 GB. So basically inside this tool, inside the GoPro Suite, you will be given the cloud storage is totally inside 17 bucks. The mailer is totally inside the 17 bucks. Mailer is the email marketing facility. The email marketing facilities like the auto responding, you can think of MailChimp, you can think of GetResponse, and you can think of your own GoPro Mail. So apart from that, the hosting is also given. You need to purchase your domain, and if you run any domain, if you want to run any domain, you can purchase the domain from exact GoPro host. But the thing is, you can purchase it from anywhere, like GoDaddy, you can depend on Namecheap, you can depend on Bluehost or HostGate or anything, but you have to purchase the domain and then you can host it, or you have an existing domain, then you can host your domain. So inside the 17 bucks, you will be given these facilities, these three facilities: the storage drive, and if you want to know more about the storage drive, that what are the space given inside the storage drive, you can depend on these features. Basically what I know about it, I have mentioned here. Okay, so you can depend here. I think I have mentioned here the storage drive depend, because this is a very common question for the storage drive, that what is the space allowing for inside 17 bucks. So I think I don't know what is the space, so that is why I have not mentioned it, and that is the thing. Okay, so what I know about it, I have mentioned it. And if you want to get the tool, then you can click on the video description link. This costs only 17 bucks, and also 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is provided. And from the platform you are purchasing, the ClickBank is providing you the refund policy. They has their refund policy, and that is the thing, that is the tool. So these are the quick features. And now let me clear you the bonuses. Some frequently asked questions are given, question and answers. Okay, so it has also a down sell. You can also purchase the down sell for $14, and if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given the mega bonuses. So the first thing is these front end bonuses, 30 front end bonuses. I have mentioned here 30 bonuses comes with the front end by default from my website. That will be given to you totally free with this product, and I have mentioned all of them here. For some of them I have written some descriptions, and for some of them I have not written anything, but I have put the image. And if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given 400 plus stuffs in total. Okay, so in total you can get the 400 plus 30, 430 stuff inside $50 or maybe $40. Okay, so this is the thing, and this was the tool I want to show. So you can click on the button, and you can click on the description link, and then you can click on the button given inside this page, and you will be redirected to the sales page, and from there you can get the tool, your desired tool. So that is the way you can get the tool and the bonuses. And I am asking you, sorry, once more you when you will be visiting this page, you will see that it is changed, it is $17. Okay, so thank you again that you have given me to show you the product, and I wish that you will have a good day. So bye bye.